I'm Ed Rossi with Injen Technology. I'm here to show you our 2009 Dodge Ram. It has our rotor-molded Evolution diesel intake with built-in filter minders. This actual kit actually generates an additional 22 horsepower and 60 foot-pounds of torque. Along with CT sounds, we're putting out 2,000 watts of additional sound for this truck. This is our 2014 SEMA project vehicle with our engine intake induction system. This engine intake is the first of its kind. It actually goes from the throttle body, a fully sealed waterproof intake, and it has a ram air induction in front of it. And it's pumping 300 watts of CT sounds through it.